Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super exciting topic for you. Make money online with ChatGPT by creating videos on YouTube. Yep, you heard it right. We'll be delving deep into how to create faceless YouTube videos and make money online, step by step. Plus, we'll be exploring how to create YouTube Shorts through ChatGPT and promote affiliate products through YouTube Shorts. So, buckle up and let's get started. We all know that YouTube is a fantastic platform to make money, but not everyone is comfortable showing their face on camera. No worries though. You can still create amazing content and generate income with faceless videos. Let's break down the process step by step. First, you need to find a niche for your channel. It's crucial to choose something you're passionate about or have knowledge in, as it'll make it easier to produce content consistently. Some popular faceless video niches include top 10 lists, how-to tutorials, animation or explainer videos, product reviews, video game walkthroughs. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to move on to the next step. Now it's time to write a killer script for your video, and that's where ChatGPT comes into play. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool developed by OpenAI that can help you write high-quality scripts in no time. Just feed it the topic, format, and any specific points you want to cover, and it'll do the rest. Since your videos are faceless, the voiceover becomes even more critical. If you're comfortable recording your own voice, go for it. Otherwise, you can use AI-based text-to-speech software like Descript or Amazon Polly to generate a natural-sounding voiceover from your ChatGPT script. Now, let's talk about visuals. You have various options, such as stock footage, animations, or screen recordings. Websites like Storyblocks, Pexels, and Pixabay are great sources for royalty-free stock footage. For animations, you can use tools like Beyond, Toonly, or Adobe After Effects. Once you have your visuals and voiceover, it's time to edit everything together. Use video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve to create a seamless and engaging video that'll keep your audience hooked. Now that you have your video, it's time to make money. Monetize your channel through YouTube's partner program, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Remember to be consistent, engage with your audience, and optimize your content for SEO to maximize your earnings. YouTube Shorts are an excellent way to reach a wider audience and promote affiliate products. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to create engaging shorts and boost your affiliate income. First, identify trending topics or popular products within your niche. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ to find what people are searching for. Once you have your trending topic, use ChatGPT to write a concise and engaging script for your YouTube short. Keep it under 60 seconds and focus on highlighting the key features or benefits of the affiliate product you're promoting. Thumbnails are crucial for grabbing attention, so make sure you design an eye-catching thumbnail for your short. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop to create a visually appealing thumbnail that represents the content of your video. With your script and thumbnail ready, it's time to record your YouTube short. You can either use your voice or an AI-generated voiceover. Then compile the visuals, either using stock footage or by creating animations. Edit your short using a video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even mobile apps like InShot or VN Video Editor. To get maximum exposure for your YouTube short, optimize it using relevant keywords, tags, and hashtags. Include the affiliate product name and other relevant terms in your title, description, and tags. This will help your short rank better in search results and reach a wider audience. Now it's time to add your affiliate links. Include your affiliate link in the video description with a clear call to action, directing viewers to check out the product. Remember to disclose that the link is an affiliate link, as this is required by both YouTube and the FTC. Finally, promote your YouTube short on social media platforms and online communities related to your niche. This will help you drive traffic to your short and increase the chances of people clicking on your affiliate link and making a purchase. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to make money online with ChatGPT by creating engaging faceless videos and YouTube shorts. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful YouTube channel and generating income through affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy YouTubing.